Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate my January monthly spread in my catch-all, which is the classic dashboard layout happy planner. I'm going to be using Snowy Day. These are some previously released florals and snowflakes that are available in my shop. Excuse me. These are the older style boxes that I used to make, and I'm probably going to use these smaller boxes because of the monthly layout. But they're pretty pink, wintry florals, and then I'm probably going to use motivational quotes too. I think I want to use, if it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. You must do the things you think you cannot do. I'm not sure which one of those. I am like really excited about a new year. New Year's, Mondays, the start of new months. Like, I always look forward to new beginnings. So I'm really excited about a new year. I talked about a little bit about how 2023 was just a hard year. I think it was a hard year for a lot of us. And so I'm really looking forward to starting fresh in a new year. So let's see. I think I'm going to go ahead and just start with this corner floral up here in this top corner. Per usual. And then I think I'm also going to try to start using my currently pages, and I want to try a little something different and kind of Frankenplan my currently page. I'm going to do a separate video on how I'm planning on doing that or putting that together. But I want my currently page to be on the back of my January monthly tab. So I want it on the back of this, which means, and this may not be feasible for everyone, but if you guys remember, I did get 2 of these planners. I got them for like $11 or $12 at Michael's when they had a big sale. So I'm actually going to be Frankenplanning the currently page onto the back of this page. And then, like I said, that'll take 2 planners. But I think it's going to work for what I need it for. So, and I'll do a separate video showing you how I'm planning on putting that together. But I do want to start decorating those and using those more this year. I'm also like really excited about sticking to just one planner. And I'm really loving the way that, if you saw that video, my setup video for this planner, I love the way that I just simply put sticky notes in my monthly, like on the actual monthly pages. Because when I was going through like my annual subscriptions and my budget and stuff the other day for 2024, I was able to, and I don't know why I didn't think of the sticky note thing. That's such a simple little thing that I never thought about, but I was able to go through and just flip to each monthly tab and write down like annual subscriptions, things like that on the sticky note without messing up my monthly pages. So that was one of the best things that I think I could have done, and I'm really glad I did it. So I plan on keeping those sticky notes in my monthlies, and then I'll just add to them as they need to be added throughout the year if I fill one up or whatever. All right, so we just put a couple snowflakes down here. Sorry, I had to stop for a minute. I had to cough. Do you guys have the crud? There's some kind of crud that's going around. Like, I think my entire church is sick with the flu or whatever the crud is that is going around. And I really hope I'm not getting it. But I just had a little coughing fit. So, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if I end up with it. Y'all let me know if y'all been sick. I know a lot of people here have been sick. So, that's not something that I want. I had the flu when I got back from Go Wild earlier this year. And I definitely don't want to be sick. So, let's pray I'm not sick. Okay, now, let's see. I have my middle son's 20th birthday is on the 2nd. And I have January 11th. My middle and my youngest both have doctor's appointments. And then the only other thing that I need to remember is National Sticker Day. And remember that I need to pay my car taxes in February, so the end of January. So let's go ahead and just lay a couple boxes down. Oh, these didn't cut very well. Okay. Phooey. I've said this and I'll say it a lot. If you ever get stickers like this from me that don't peel up very easily, just let me know and I'll replace them. Sometimes I don't catch when my blades get dull on my Cricut machines. And so this happens. But yeah, it happens. I'm human. So I went ahead off camera and cut some of the boxes, like just sliced with my little X-Acto knife there. All right, so now we're gonna do sticker day. I'm gonna need to white out National Sticker Day just because my box won't fit if I don't. It'll cover up the text and I don't want to see the text under there. So I may even have a sticker that says National Sticker Day. I might look for that in a minute, but I'll probably forget. Maybe I won't forget. All right, and then let's see. What did I say? January 11th. So what I normally do whenever I'm decorating my monthlies is I go through and put down boxes on the dates that I know I have appointments, and then I kind of balance out with just boxes just for decoration. Hopefully that makes sense. So let's see. Put a pink one down over here. I hope you guys had a very good Christmas. It is the week of New Year's. The week of New Year's Eve. Well, I guess it's the week of Christmas. I don't know. That kind of messed me up this year with Christmas and New Year's being in the same week. I did not decorate a spread in my planner or any spreads in my planners for the current week. I didn't film any videos. I took days off from work to clean the house, get it ready for Christmas. Then I had to make Christmas dinner and, you know, all those fun things. So I did a lot of decluttering and cleaning and just trying to prepare for a fresh start in a new year. And so hopefully you guys enjoyed your Christmas holiday and will enjoy your New Year's as well. I kind of want to move this. This is an older, like these were already cut and they were in my sticker stock. And I think these are on my removable sticker paper. I kind of want to bring it back. Those stickers were very easy to remove. So I don't know if I'll bring them back or not. It's just so expensive to keep all the different sticker papers in stock. Sticker paper is not cheap. It is very expensive, especially the clear. The clear sticker paper is very expensive. The white removable is the second most expensive, and then the white matte is the least expensive. But anyway, okay, so I kind of balanced out. I'm not crazy about the way this looks, but it's balanced, like box wise. So let's fill in with a couple little florals, just like hanging off of my boxes. And then this spread will probably be done. I might put a little bit of some washi in here, just to kind of give it another little cute element. But I'm just going to put some florals hanging off the sides of my boxes here. And then let's see. I don't really want to use this whole floral, so I may go ahead and just use a little piece of it. I need my tweezers. All right. I actually should have done that off the opposite side. So let's do that over here. Oh, Oliver. Oliver just cannot be quiet when I'm filming. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing with some florals on this side. still want to leave myself room to write on the days, like over here on this day, in case I need it. Let's see if I can use this piece. Got to get back in the groove of filming. I always say that this first video that I film after not filming for several days is like the most awkward. I don't know, for some reason it's the most awkward video to film until I get back in the groove of actually like talking to myself, because it's kind of weird sitting here in my bedroom talking to myself. I think I might try to put a little snowflake over here. And then I may put it up top. It looks kind of weird, but it's cute. And then I might take a silver snowflake and stick on this box. Just put it down here. Let's put it up top here. I don't think I like this up top snowflake. We're going to take him off. Okay. All right, so this is cute. Let's do a little bit of washi. So I have this like gray and white striped washi. I think this is from the Homebody collection, like the original Homebody collection from Happy Planner. So we're just going to stick this down here. Try not to use a lot of it because I don't have much left and I doubt I can ever find it again. And I really like it, so I'm trying to kind of hoard it just a little bit. All right, so we have that, and then I think I'm going to do a little bit at the top. Like that. All right, that's really cute. And then I do have this, it's almost like snow, kind of. It's like a blue, I don't know, blue and white, not blue and white, but like a mint green and white. I want to use it, but I don't know where to use it. I might try to just put it like across some of these boxes. We'll see what it looks like. If I hate it, I'll pull it up. I'm surprised my dog didn't bark. The mailman, my camera just went off. The mailman just put some packages right near my door and she didn't bark. So that's like really strange. All right, I'm going to end up covering up Martin Luther King Jr. Day, but that's a day that I'll always remember because it's a holiday, so don't really need it to be there. Oh, turn it around. Okay. All right, I think this is pretty cute. I don't know how I feel about that washi, but I think I'm going to leave it just because. Or am I? I'm not. I'm going to pull it up. I don't like it. I don't like it. And I think I'm going to try to put it back on the roll so that I'm not wasting it. We'll see if that actually works. Okay, I think I'm done. I think I'm done with this spread. I didn't use any of the bigger boxes, so I can put those back in my sticker stock. And let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. I'm ready to fill it in and get a new year started. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, oh, and thank you, I finally hit 8,000 subscribers, so I do have a lot of new subscribers here, so welcome, and thank you so much for subscribing. So yeah, hit the subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram. I'm not really that active on Instagram. I've kind of been doing like a little test run to see which platform is like most beneficial to me as a small business owner. And you guys you love YouTube. So I will spend most of my time over here on YouTube and post a little bit, maybe a couple reels here and there over on Instagram. But follow me over on Instagram too. And there was something else I was going to say. I don't remember what it was. I'll try to remember and say it in my next video. So yeah, this was an awkward video. Hopefully the next one will be better. But thank y'all so much for watching. Happy New Year. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.